Hi, everyone. My name is Julie Cloud, and I'm from sunny Homedale, Idaho. I want to invite you to come and paint with me at SDP's 50th anniversary. I'm going to be teaching. Hey, wait, the phone's ringing. Look, I'm going to be teaching a dotted phone stand. How fun is that? You stand your phone on it. It's a mandala dotted. It goes flat so you can take it home. I'm going to be using some dotting tools that you'll get you contact me to order your dotting tools when you sign up for my class, and I'm going to teach you how to use these, and then you'll go on to create many, many, many fun things. So I hope you'll come and paint with me. I am painting Wednesday, August 10th. That's of this year. And my class time is from 1 to 5. It's for beginners through advanced. You're welcome to come. I'm going to have a couple of giveaways and we're going to have fun together. So please come and join me. Thank you.